Here is the graph of the function f of x equals x squared. I'd like to explore the function f of x equals ax squared, where a is a coefficient whose value I can change. To do so, I'm going to construct a slider. I'll tap the slider tool. A preview appears of a slider. I'll tap the green check mark to place it in my sketch. When I slide this point back and forth, the value of a changes. It varies from -5 to 5. To create the function f of x equals ax squared, I'll double tap f of x to edit it. I'll now place the cursor to the left of x squared and tap A to insert it into the function. I'll insert an asterisk and then tap OK to complete the editing. My function is now f of x equals ax squared. When I drag the slider, I can see the effects of varying a. I can change the minimum and maximum values of the slider to any values I like. For example, I'll tap here to change the maximum value to 8.